Welcome to our channel again. Today we are diving into an exciting experiment that demonstrates the fascinating principles of electromagnetic induction. Let's get into the video. First of all, take a simple copper wire and wind as shown in the video. Now remove the insulation on both sides. Without removing insulation, current will not pass. Now I am selecting amperes mode in digital multimeter. Now take this copper coil and connect it to a multimeter to measure the current. See, it is completely zero. Now I am introducing the bar magnet to the coil and moving it back and forth. See, as the magnet moves, we observe a change in the current flowing through the coil. This phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction, discovered by Michael Faraday in the 19th century. Let me explain the origin of electromagnetism, that is 19th century. There was a scientist who is the father of electromagnetism. He is Ørsted. In April 1820, Ørsted carried out an experiment that was never performed before. He placed a compass needle underneath a wire and then turned on electric current. The needle of compass showed deflection. Ørsted recognized the significance of what he had just done. Earlier, it was believed that electricity and magnetism were two different and unconnected sciences. Ørsted had demonstrated that they were interconnected. Through this observation, he showed that electricity and magnetism were related phenomena. Some scientists influenced by this experiment continued to work on the modern field of electromagnetism. By observing and understanding Ørsted's experiments, Faraday meticulously conducted numerous experiments, ultimately leading to his revolutionary insight into electromagnetic induction. Faraday's law tells us that a changing magnetic field induces an electromotive force in a nearby conductor, causing an electric current to flow. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more experiments and science content. Until next time, happy experimenting.